We were traveling and unexpectedly we were rammed in the side, but my husband was taken to the hospital. He suffered a double concussion. He had a long recovery. It was very traumatic. We got a very good crash course in how the laws in Florida actually work. We were actually referred to Brooks Law Group. We were actually given a few names, and the person who referred us said that if it was their choice, they would go with Brooks Law. So we said, that's what we're going to do. We're going with Brooks Law. We have had a wonderful experience. All of our calls were returned, all of our questions were answered. I spent a lot of time on the phone trying to understand what we were going to be going through. Lanchi was fantastic. Everyone at Brooks Law was great. They returned all of our calls. They were very professional. We never felt like they were shorting us or trying to get us off the phone. They sent us updates regularly, whether we requested them or not. They kept in contact with us by phone, by email, and by text. So we were very, very pleased. Absolutely. I would absolutely recommend them to come here. Again, everybody was just very helpful, polite, professional. Like I said, they returned all of our calls. We didn't have any issues or any troubles. Everybody talked to us as if it felt like we knew everybody that we talked to. And that was very helpful. It was a tough time that we went through, and it was so much easier to be able to work with people who made us feel comfortable. And so absolutely, I would recommend Brooks Law.